English speaking practice is paramount for anyone wanting to become fluent in the language. Consistent speaking practice helps develop communication skills, build confidence, and increase fluency. Whether it be with a tutor, a language exchange partner, or through conversation classes, finding ways to practice speaking English is key to improving your skills.
There are many different types of English speaking practice available, including one-on-one tutoring sessions, conversation classes, and language exchange partners. Each type provides different benefits and can be tailored to fit your specific goals and needs. It's important to find the type of practice that works for you and that you enjoy, so you can stay motivated and committed to improving your English skills.
To make the most out of your English speaking practice, it's important to set specific goals, seek feedback from peers, and practice consistently. Breaking down your goals into smaller, achievable steps can help you stay motivated and focused on improving. Seeking feedback from peers or a tutor can help you identify areas of improvement and make adjustments to your speaking style. Finally, consistently practicing English speaking and incorporating it into your daily routine can help you maintain your skills and continue to improve over time. Committing to consistent and effective English speaking practice can help take your skills to the next level and open doors for personal and professional growth. It's important to be open to challenges, receive feedback, and incorporate new lessons and techniques into your practice. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve fluency in English and improve your communication skills, helping you succeed both in your personal and professional life.